Respect the tricolour. Unfortunately, not just the country, the world saw how the Republic Day festivities were marred by violence and vandalism. And that is why this time perhaps Delhi police taking no chances. There are spikes that have been put on the road. There are huge barricades that have been erected and concertina wire on top of them and several layers of it. Concrete mixed cement and iron girders are being put on the highway to put big barricades to ensure that tractors cannot ram through them like they did on Republic Day. Delhi police sources indicate that a commitment by farmer union leaders cannot be taken at face value because there are some elements who have crept into this movement who are out to malign the country. Amidst this, more than 200 social media handles have been blocked. The government says this has been done to ensure that anti-national sentiment or anti-government sentiment is not spread. Farmer union leaders and activists say that this is an undeclared emergency.
Sword attack on cops. Policemen attacked and cornered. Complete chaos and mayhem. The security arrangements at the stir sites have been beefed up to avoid what Delhi witnessed on January 26th. Delhi police is also gearing up with metal shields to deal with sword attacks. Amid cemented barricades, barbed wires, and heavy deployment of security personnel, the epicenter of farmer protests, Ghazipur border, has now turned into a virtual fortress. The protest site has been isolated with layers of barricades to avoid repetition of violence and chaos.
A lot of fencing, not only the fencing, but police placing barricades and other retaliatory measures have taken here. You can see also how the police personnel with their weapon and with their other retaliatory instruments, they are camping here, and there is implementation of CRPC 144. Nobody is allowed to trespass this.
However, the police had to face locals' anger for blocking roads to protest sites.
हम यहाँ मयूर विहार से हैं, रास्ते में देखिए उधर से भी गाड़ी आ रही, अचानक हमारी गाड़ी आ रही, कुछ एक्सीडेंट हो जाए, कुछ हो जाए, हैं? अभी हम बाल बचे हैं, हमें यहाँ तो पता चला ये हरकत हो गई, कोई इन्फॉर्मेशन नहीं है, कोई कुछ नहीं है, तो ये गलत बात है ना ये सारी, ये हम दिल्ली वासियों को क्यों परेशान किया जा रहा है?
Situation is no different at the Tikri border. Nails and iron rods have been cemented at the road leading to farmers' camp to block passage of farmers and locals from both the sides. The farmer camps are guarded with layers of barricades and RAF along with other security forces.
टीकरी बॉर्डर पे इस वक्त हम हैं और टीकरी बॉर्डर की आपको तस्वीर दिखाते हैं। आप ये देखिए, ये सीमेंट के बड़े बड़े ब्लॉक हैं, 2 ब्लॉक्स हैं। उसके बाद आप देखिए पहली आप लेयर देखिए आरएएफ के जवान यहाँ पर तैनात हैं ठीक बैरिकेड के बाद। उसके बाद आप ये देखिए यहाँ पर CISF के जवान हैं।
Meanwhile, protesters at Singhu tried to remove barricades to allow locals to movement. The farmers asked police to open the roads for locals, allowing free movement to avoid any inconvenience.
अभी किसी भी तरीके से जो है एंट्री दिल्ली की तरफ नहीं होनी है, उसके मद्देनज़र शाहदरा जिला पुलिस का ये अरेंजमेंट भी इंटैक्ट है और हमारे पूरे ऑफिसर्स इस बात को इंश्योर कर रहे हैं कि ऑन ग्राउंड वो अरेंजमेंट इतना इंटैक्ट रहे कि किसी भी तरह की कोई एंट्री पॉसिबल ना हो दिल्ली की तरफ।
The government has suspended internet services till February 2nd, 11 p.m. at Singhu, Ghazipur and Tikri. The Twitter handles of few farm leaders and activists have also been suspended for running farmer genocide hashtags against the center as a precautionary measure.
किसी को कंप्लेन करने की ज़रूरत नहीं होनी चाहिए। ट्विटर को खुद ही एक्शन लेना चाहिए था और इस प्रकार के हैंडल को वहीं ब्लॉक करना था जो झूठी अफवाहें और झूठा नैरेटिव बनाते हैं और गलत तरीके से समाज में हिंसा प्रकट करते हैं।
Metal and concrete barricades, spikes and nails on the road and blockade on the highways. These measures are taken by the security agencies at Ghazipur, Tikri and Singhu border to prevent any untoward incidents like one that unfolded on the Republic Day. Clearly, the agency does not want to take any chance as the farmers continue to sit against farm laws on these borders for more than 2.5 months. Reporting from Singhu border with Sanjay, this is Ashutosh Mishra for India Today.
Hi everyone, Preeti Chaudhary here. Hope you like this video. For latest news and analysis, like and subscribe to the India Today YouTube channel. And don't forget to press the bell icon to stay updated. Thank you for watching.